So the reason why we did that was we got into a different startup founders program, which gave us a huge influx of credits. So this was, for example, from Azure to GCP. We had a huge influx of credits, and that allowed us to, like have a lot more unlocked, especially with the AI capabilities that we were really trying to leverage. So because of that, we wanted to, increase our runway in some sense, and that was the reason why. Now, how to do it was there was a lot of planning and processes that we had to ensure were done, right? So first off, it's like, what are the most critical systems, and how do we minimize them being offline? Another could be, okay, so let's have a whole layout of systems with the dependencies, with the different environments, and if we were to move these over, do we need any sort of cross-cloud connections? Ideally, we try to not have that. And then if that was the case, how do we do that? And then finally, once everything is moved over, not like we try to do, again, more of a lift and shift if possible, but again, depending on the critical systems, kept offline as low as possible. And then everything else was brought in, the more ancillary, like let's say all the logging or anything else that is kind of more monitoring sense. Then we kind of observed, saying, okay, we are on this new platform. Let's run for a bit before we completely, either remove the services from the other one or basically archive it.